Okay, so the last video got to be a little bit long after that example, so I'm going to do number 83 now. So I did 80 in the previous one, so let's work on 83. Here it's got a U and a V, so it's type 1 or type 2. We don't have the extra Y, doesn't matter. Um, Here I'm going to isolate our dV, which we'll do first. So that's going to equal, so we have an 8 and a U that we can kind of pull out. So the integral of v is just v squared over 2. That's evaluated from negative u squared minus 1 to negative u. Let's see, so I have negative u squared minus 1 quantity squared over 2 minus negative u quantity squared over 2. All right, let's do that FOIL. So that's going to be u to the 4th minus 2 u, no, plus 2u squared. And then plus 1. Put this whole thing over 2. Let's see. And then this is just going to be minus u squared. Minus u quantity squared is u squared, and then we're subtracting it. All right, so the 8 cancels with the 2, giving us a 4. I can distribute I'm going to leave the 4 out. Put the 4 there. Then I can put the u through. So this is going to be u to the 5th. I've got a 2u squared and a negative u squared, so that's u squared times u is u cubed. And then I've just got a u. All right, and these are all going to be the general power rule. So I've got a 4 outside, and this is going to be u 6th over 6, and u 4th over 4, and u squared over 2, evaluated from 1 to 2. All right, 2 to the 6, 2, 4, 8, 16, 30, 64. So we're looking at 64, 6. And then we have 16 fourths and 4 halves. And that's minus, and the rest of these will go to 1. So 1 6, 1 4th, and 1 half. Okay. Combining. So that's 63, and then we have 15 and 3. I'm going to multiply. This will help a little bit. I'm going to cancel the 4. We can take 2 out of this thing, or 1 half as it were. That's 2, and then we got 63 thirds, 15 halves, and 3 over 1. All right, so 6 is my common denominator. We're going to multiply 63 times 2, so is that 126. 15 times 3 is 45. Excuse me, that should be a 6. And 3 times 6 is 18. And again, I can cancel, I've got a 6 in all of these, so I've got the 2, so I can make it over 3. So this is going to be 26, 160, 171, 181, 189. And I can divide that, so that's 63, it looks like. That'll be your answer.